Welcome to South Seas Island Resort out here on Captiva Island. Today we're going to take you inside a one-bed, one-bath tennis villa in the South Point village of Captiva. I want to give you a little overview before we do a walkthrough of the unit. The tennis villas are located in the South Point village of the resort, which is a short stroll to Starbucks, retail, shopping, and world-renowned restaurants such as the Mucky Duck and the Bubble Room. Not only are you very close to the heart of Captiva, but you're also a short stroll from the beach as well. On top of all these great things, inside this unit, 3124, listed at $350,000, it protrudes beautiful views. You have the tennis court behind me, you have the pool as well, and you also catch a glimpse of that beautiful South Seas sunset. This unit participates in the resort rental program and generates over $50,000 in rental income. This beautiful unit, as you will see in the walkthrough, has been renovated with earthy and natural tones to kind of give it that nice character that we all like to see in our units. So come with me on this walk, and thanks for coming.